Namaste. Welcome, all beautiful soul. Welcome to the day 4 of our Powerful Truth series. Power Truth, Break Free, and Rise. This is Jalpa Joshi, your mindset coach, and the voice behind Freedom Daughter Tribe. And today is our day 4th. आपको कभी कभी आपका पास देख के ऐसा लगता है कि यही सब कुछ था एंड अब मैं आगे कुछ कर नहीं सकती बट क्या आपको ये पता है कि योर पास्ट इज जस्ट वन चैप्टर ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड नॉट योर कंप्लीट लाइफ. द ट्रूथ ऑफ टुडे इज योर पास्ट डजंट डिफाइन यू. आपकी जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी पहले हुआ है वो सिर्फ एक एक चैप्टर था आपकी पूरी किताब का. आपकी बड़ी किताब है और किताब में बहुत सारे ऐसे चैप्टर होंगे. बट हम क्या करते हैं ना, हमारा माइंड ऐसे ट्रेंड है कि हम एक बात या एक इंसिडेंट पास्ट का ये सोचते हैं कि ये हमारी पूरी जिंदगी है. And we start crying and cribbing on that. No matter whatever mistakes you have made, no matter whoever is doubting your potential, your power is still within you and it is ready to rise. Just that we need to look into that power. Be calm to yourself. Be sympathetic to yourself. If you have made any mistakes in past, those were just for some kind of learning. Those were not your final statement. The past is just a part of your life and not the sentence of your life. So please let go of your past and let's live in the present moment. मुझे ऐसी बहुत सी फीमेल क्लाइंट्स आके मिलती है, कहती है अब क्या ही हो जाएगा, मैंने तो इतनी सारी गलतियां करी है, क्या ही बदल जाएगा फ्यूचर में, क्या ही नया आ जाएगा. बट you don't know how is your future shaping up. You just have to let go of your past beliefs and just believe in your own power, because your past doesn't define what are you going to be in the future. The past is just a part of it. Like if I tell you about my story, when I had lost my job and I had setbacks thinking that now I won't get any job or if I won't be able to break through any interviews. With that fear and that past of mine, I just kept on sitting on the opportunities. But one day I realized that this is a need of the hour. I just need to go out and give my interviews. When I went there, this past which I was thinking that the job which has been gone out of my hand and is defining me that I am a failure, turned out to be a point of experience. This experience counted in my new job. They appreciated my work over there, and this experience led me to a better opportunity in my life. I got the job. I started working. I got appreciated. I started growing. And the past, which I was holding on to and thinking was defining my failure, had just gone. It had vanished. अब तो किसी को याद भी नहीं है. And I proudly write all this past of mine as an experience. So what are our past? They are experience. They are just teaching us lessons and they are just polishing us. So whenever in your life you feel as if you are lost or you don't have any power, or because of your past failures you are now not going to take any future steps and you might even fail in that, this is just your self doubt. Your past is just a place of lesson, not your life sentence. Your past is not your trauma. It is not your worst decision. It is not your failure. It is just a lesson. जो भी आप बनना चाहते हो आप अभी भी बन सकते हो. बनने के लिए आपको आपके पास्ट के फेलियर्स या आपके पास्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड द करेज एंड यू जस्ट नीड द पावर विच इज़ ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड यू. You just need to select, and choice is in your hand. You have to choose your present to show your power, not your past. It is truly said that past is a history, future is a mystery. What we have is today and today is the present. सो आपको अगर ये लगता है कि मेरा पास्ट मुझे डिफाइन करता है, मेरा पास्ट डिसाइड करेगा मेरा फ्यूचर कैसा होगा, तो नहीं, दिस इज नॉट द ट्रूथ. प्लीज होल्ड योर पावर इन योर हैंड. Let us reflect few things. Let's start journaling. Please take your paper and pen and write the answers for below three questions. These are very powerful and will really help you to know your insights. The first question I would like to ask you is, what past memory or story am I telling and that is defining me? Is there any story in your life which in the past you feel is defining you? Take some time and reflect this. The second question, which is, what truth do I now choose to believe about myself? You need to believe in yourself more than your past, more than anything else. The third question, if I fully own my past and I fully own my power today, what would I do differently? These are very powerful questions. If you feel, you can pause the videos and try to answer this. This will really give you a quiet insight of what exactly are your power points. I would like to share few powerful affirmations which can help you to get over your past, and that is, my past shaped me, but it doesn't define me. I release the shame, guilt, and fear. I rise in power. I am powerful because I heal, not because I am perfect. Say this with full emotions and let your nervous system also soak into it. Here is an actionable plan I have. This is very powerful. Do try it. Write a forgiveness letter to yourself. Not because you want to fix anything in yourself, just because you want yourself to be free. To let yourself free, write down whatever you want to let go. Tear the paper, burn it, and just bless yourself that whatever happened in past was a part of my life and it has taught me a lot of lessons. Let go of your past and your power can rise. You are doing a great job by doing this inner work with me every day. This is a day 4. Till now, you might have got a lot of insights about yourself. And now you just need to decide, I choose my power. I let go of my past and I choose my power because my past doesn't define me. Share this with someone who really needs to hear this. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you don't miss the final fifth truth, and which is, I choose power. And you are not meant to shrink, you are meant to be loved. Hit the subscribe button. Remember, you are not broken, you are becoming. This is Jalpa Joshi signing off. Stay blessed, stay loving, and just rise. You are here to grow, not to shrink. Thank you.